Welcome to our channel of essential kitchen utensil reviews. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible COSORI air fryer. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this thorough review. To make it easier, we've left the secure link to the site that sells the air fryer in the description. The COSORI Air Fryer 6QT offers an impressive range of features that cater to various cooking needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. This review will cover the positives and negatives of this air fryer, helping you decide if it's the right appliance for you. One of the standout features of the COSORI air fryer is its 9-in-1 versatility. With functions like air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, it provides a wide array of options for preparing different types of meals. This makes it an ideal choice for those who love experimenting with various cooking methods without needing multiple appliances. The 5-speed airflow system is another significant advantage, ensuring perfectly even cooking every time. This feature helps achieve superior results, whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying. Additionally, the Turbo Blaze technology, powered by standard DC motors, allows the air fryer to cook up to 46% faster than previous COSORI models. This speed is a huge time saver in the kitchen, especially for those with busy schedules. Another positive aspect is the 6-quart capacity, which is spacious enough to cook meals for a large group. The nonstick basket can accommodate foods of all shapes and sizes, making it highly versatile. Moreover, the air fryer uses up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods, allowing you to enjoy crispy, fried textures without the guilt of consuming too much oil. The inclusion of step-by-step visual instructions and access to an online recipe library with video tutorials is particularly beneficial for beginners. It provides expert cooking guidance, ensuring that even novice cooks can achieve professional results. In terms of convenience, the COSORI air fryer is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The non-stick cooking basket and detachable components are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Additionally, the compact design saves counter space and allows for easy storage without compromising performance. One minor downside is the noise level, although the Turbo Blaze air fryer incorporates a snail shell reflector to minimize noise, making it quieter than many other models on the market. However, it's not entirely silent, which might be a consideration for some users. Another consideration is that the COSORI air fryer is ETL listed with a power rating of 120V/1725W, and the voltage is only applicable in the US and Canada. This means it might not be suitable for use in other countries without a proper voltage converter. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer 6QT is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that offers a range of cooking options, perfect for anyone looking to make healthier meals quickly and easily. Its large capacity, fast cooking times, and easy cleanup are significant positives, while the minor issues with noise and voltage limitations are worth considering. Overall, it stands out as a top choice in the realm of air fryers. Leave your opinion about this air fryer in the comments, and if you have any questions, write them down so I can respond. If you've watched until now, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any new videos.